Hello guys, today I have discussed about Whatsapp Fornt 4 tricks that you should know must. Let's start the video. Top 4 Whatsapp Fornt tricks that you should know must. Number 1. Make text bold. To do so, add an asterisk before and after the message per instant. For example, now I am typing here, I am a good asterisk symbol before student and after symbol asterisk and send. Number 2. Make text italic. To do so, add underscores before and after the message for instant. For example, now I am typing here. For example, I am a good underscores is true then underscores sent. Number 3. Make tracks strikers. To add a line on your message, place a turtle on both sides of the word. For example, I am a code turtle restaurant dan turtle uninstall of tracer sent. Number 4. Change font. To change the font, enclose the text in 3 backticks. For example, Now I'm typing here 3 backtrace how are you question mark 2 backtrace. Thank you for watching my video.